Well, very good morning to all of you. In previous videos, we have discussed some basic tags. Now I am going to demonstrate these basic tags in your practical session. Let's start. Notepad, type, doc type, HTML, then head, then title, then let our title is basic tags demo slash title, then slash head. Now this is your body part. You see, I am writing doc type demo. What do you mean by doc type demo? That means document type. The browser, if you type this statement at the very beginning of your HTML document, then the browser knows which type of or which version of HTML you are using. So it is easy for the browser to interpret the different types of tags you are using in your HTML document. For bold, there are two tags. I have already told you, one is your B tag and another one is strong tag. The B tag renders the text in bold, as well as the strong tag renders the text also in bold text. So what is the difference? There is no difference between B and strong. But in your previous browsers, non-graphical browsers does not support, certain non-graphical browsers does not support B tag. If the B tag is not functioning, then at that time you can use strong tag to make your letters bold or to see your text or contents in bold faced characters. Here, let's see it. Bold faced demo. Slash B. This is a parameter, and also we are strong copy and paste slash strong. Okay, now slash body slash HTML. Save it using HTML extension. Minimize it, then open in your browser. Now see, the B tag renders the text in bold face, as well as the strong tag renders your text in bold face. So these two tags can be used to make the letters bold. Now I am telling you about the italic tags. there are 4 tags you can use. I am saying, remember, there are 4 tags we can use to render the text in italics. One is your I tag, we have already discussed about it. Another one is EM tag, and third one is site tag, and fourth one is address tag. So let us see how it works. This tag, I am writing this tag renders in italics /I. The next one is break. Give your break tag, then just copy and paste 3 more times. And see what happens. Change I to EM /EM. Here type site CIT /site and address /address. So these 4 tags, just like if the browser does not support your B tag, you are using strong tag. Similarly, if your browser does not support I tag, you can use EM tag in place of I tag to render the text in italics. So save it. Then go to your browser. Just reload or refresh. See, now I am giving B tag here, BR tag. Let us see all the 4 tags: I tag, EM tag, site tag, and italic tags. All these 4 tags effect in similar manner or similar way. That means they all render the text in italics. Now, here you can see I am typing BR space slash and simply BR. If you are using XHTML, that means extensible hypertext markup language, then your browser may not support simply BR tag. Our HTML previous versions, HTML 4.5, these are supporting BR tag, but XHTML, which is a part of or family member of XML, extensible markup language. Now you can use BR space slash. It also creates a line break where you want, like our BR tag. Okay, so these 2 tags function in similar way. BR tag also creates a line break, as well as BR slash tag or BR space slash tag also creates a line break. See, there are shown, the text are shown in number of lines. Okay. Now I am telling you different attributes which can be used in paragraph. When you make a new paragraph, you have to use p tag. At Word or in Word or Excel, we are using enter key or return key to create a new paragraph. Similarly, in HTML, we have to use p tag. If you just simply press enter keys and type the text line by line, then the browser will condense all the sentences into a single line. So we need paragraph tag. So in between paragraph tag, in between the starting paragraph tag, there are two parts of it. First, two parts of a tag. One is opening tag or starting tag, or another one is ending tag or closing tag. You need to always remember if there are some attributes, and generally the attributes are associated with some values, and in some cases you can directly use the attribute, but many of the attributes associated with values. In p tag or paragraph tag, you can use different attributes, like you can change the alignment of your text using align attribute. You can change the color of letters and other attributes as well. Let us see. Let I am creating a new paragraph, and when you create a new paragraph, the browser will create a line, a blank line before your paragraph and a blank line after your paragraph. See what happens. Let I am typing, this is my first paragraph. This is my first paragraph. Close this by /p. Save it. Then move to browser window. Then refresh it. Here see, a new blank line is created before the paragraph and after the paragraph. This is my second paragraph. Save it. Okay, so this is, in this way the paragraph functions. Now let us use some. I want to display this text in the middle of the screen. So here we have to type align equal to center. How many types of alignments are there? There are 4 types of alignments: left, center, right and justify. There are 4 types of alignments. One is left, which is the default alignment of text is left. Another one is center, right and justify. If you want to see this text in center align, then we have to type the attribute align and give its value as center by typing in this manner align equal to center. And always remember, it is a good practice to enclose the value of attributes within quotation marks. Okay. In second paragraph, suppose type align equal to right. So what will be the output? This text will be shown in the right align and this text will be shown in the middle align. So just save it. Press Alt tab to switch to your browser window which is already open. Then just refresh or press F5. Let us see the first text, the first paragraph contents is displaying in the middle of your screen, and here this is the in the right margin or right align of your screen. Similarly, you can type justify and left align. Remember, we have used BG color to make the background color. Generally, the foreground color is black and the background color is white. So, to change the background color, we are using BG color equal to let's cyan or sky blue. Okay, now please note that BG color means background color and the spelling is COLOR. Okay, so just save it. Refresh. See, the background color is changed from white to sky blue. But there is also another way to change the background color of your HTML document or in your output screen. Suppose you have an image in your computer and you want to set it as its background output. So what have to do? In place of BG color, type background equal to here you have to specify the location or path of the image or graphics file which is present in your computer. Let us browse an image present in our system. Let us see. So these are the different images or graphics are there. To know its path or location, just right click on it and choose properties. Then this is the location. This is present in the E drive under new folder and its name is this. Simply copy it, paste, then again move. Select its actual name, then paste it, save it. So this is not functioning. Let us say this is also a simple graphics here. Just right click, its name is X, X.png. Copy its location, then X.png. That means you have to write its path as well as file name in full to see the effect in background. So I think some problem is there. Let us try to search some JPG files. This is the tulips. Star.jpg. So properties, just copy its location, then paste it. See, this works. So what happens here in the background? This is the attribute of BG of body tag, and its value is background equal to the detail. You have to type the detailed path along with the image file which you want to set in your background. So the tulips JPG file is present under C drive users directory, public, then pictures, then sample pictures. Okay, so we have to fully mention the path as well as its file name along with its extension name, and enclose the path and file name within quotation marks. So you can use VG color to change the background of your screen browser window, or use the attribute, background attribute within the body tag. Now the third command is text color. You can change the color of text. What is the color of text? Regular color, black, and the black color we have to change the color of body text from black to suppose red. Then just you have to type text equal to, let us remove the background picture and simply type text equal to red. For better visibility, I am remove the background graphics, then save it, then move to your browser window, then refresh. See, all the text, all the paragraphs and all the contents written in your body part are automatically changed from black color to red color due to this attribute. So you can, to change the foreground color, you have to use attribute text and give a value. Let us bring, save it. See, so in this way you can change the background as well as foreground color of your output window or output screen. There is another type of color combination or color format which is known as RGB. Known as RGB, red, green, blue. This value is written in hexadecimal form. Let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First two digits are used for the concentration of red color, and the second two digits used for green, and third two is used for blue color concentration. Okay. Let us type BG color equal to, and this is written by the hexadecimal value is preceded by hash symbol. Let us FF 0000. See what happens. This is for red color. These two, the total is in RGB format. These two used for red concentration, these two for green, these two for white. Suppose you type in this form Then what will be the output? See, it is for white. And if you type 6 zeros, so this is the color combination for, see, control S, for black. That means the color combination, the background, if you change the background color to black, then you can use background BG color equal to black or BG color equal to, you can type the color combination in hexadecimal format or RGB format by preceding the hexadecimal value using hash symbol. In this way, that means its lowest value is 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 and the highest value is 6 F F F F F F. Okay. So now let us discuss about the font tag. If you want to change the font face of your text, that means the font style, its size and its color, you can use font tag. Let us discuss. P font here. You have always type the attributes in the starting tag. Now I am typing font equal to Arial. Font equal to Arial. Size equal to height. Size equal to height. And color equal to purple. Color equal to purple. Now see what happens. I am just removing its background color. So I am not, the font tag is not enclosed within the font tag is not, the font tag you have to use separately, not in the paragraph tag. The font tag we have to use separately and we have to close the tag in its, use the font, then type the 3 attributes what we have written, then use the tag using /font. Let us start the computer again. Due to interruption in power supply, inside paragraph tag. So just skip it. Here type font, then type face equal to, there are three attributes, one is face, another one is color, and another one is size. Face equal to, let Arial, and this font will affect if the Arial font is installed in your computer system. Otherwise, the browser will interpret or will show the text in which font? In its default font. If you are using different types of fonts or style of fonts here using face attribute, it only affects if the given font is installed in your system. Otherwise, it shows the text in your default font. Now, the second attribute, let size equal to 5. I am giving size equal to 5 and color equal to, let purple, color equal to purple. Then type the text which you want to see in this specific formats. Let I am typing my formats. Then type slash font, save it. So this is written in different fonts, font face, in different color and in different size. The size of your text can be from 1 to 7. The size of your text can be from 1 to 7. That means the value of font size in HTML is the lowest one is, smallest one is 1 and the largest one is 7. And the your regular font, remember your regular font size is 3. That means the default font size in HTML is 3. Okay. Let us put the value 7. Font face equal to Arial, size equal to 7 and color equal to purple. Save it. Move to browser window. Then refresh it. Let us see the size increases as well as the colors changed from black to purple. Let us change it to red. Save it. See here. Now I am giving the size to 1. Refresh it. The lowest one is, or this is the teeny. The 1 is known as teeny small, teeny letter size, and 2 is small, 3 is regular, and accordingly 4 is medium, and the 5th one is extra medium, and likely the second one is largest. The first one is, if you give the letter size 1, then it is known as teeny letter size, and second one is known as small, third one is regular, what is known as the default font size, and fourth one is extra medium, fifth one is large. If you give the letter size 5, then it is known as large, and sixth one is real big, and seventh one is largest. So there is no font size. Suppose you are using font size 12. So see, there will be no effect of font size 12. It increases up to 7. How can you clarify? Again, change the font size to 50. Save it and refresh the button. See, the font size changes? No. So there will be no change if you use the font size more than 7. So the smallest font size is 1 and the largest font size in HTML is 7. And 1 is known as teeny font size, 2 is known as small, 3 is known as what? Regular or default font size. Sometimes the question arises, dash in multiple choice questions, dash is the regular font size in HTML. Then the answer will be 3. And if you are using the font size 4, it is known as extra medium, and the font size 5 is known as large, and 6 is known as real big, 6 is known as real big, and 7 is known as largest font size. Okay, so in this way you can change. Let us try to give the font name Arial Black. Arial Black. Let us save it. Just refresh using F5. The face of letters changed from Arial to Arial Black. Then I am using another font. See what happens? Okay, so the font size changes from Arial Black to German. In this way, suppose I am telling you one thing. Suppose here you are written text equal to red, and in font tag you are using color equal to yellow. So what happens? This attribute, save it. See, these texts, the upper parts of the browser text will appear in red color because we have specified the body text color as red. Whereas in font tag we are used the color equal to yellow. That means if you are using font tag and change the color using color tag, the color tag used in font tag, the color attribute used in font tag will supersede or overrides the parameters or attributes you are set in the body tag. That means the body tag, in body tag, what color we are giving? We are giving red color, and the red color is superseded by yellow color what you have used in your text. So in the next video I will demonstrate about 3 types of listed items. In HTML you can list the items in 3 ways. In first one is in your unordered list, secondly in your ordered list, and third one is definition list and other tags also. Okay, bye.